Hello and welcome to InFocus with me, Kamran Yousuf from Islamabad. The recent defeat by Pakistan cricket team, both in Test and One-Day series against Sri Lanka, has raised a number of questions. Even there are allegations of match fixing. So what went wrong and why Pakistan cricket team capitulated both in Test and One-Day series? To analyze Pakistan's team's performance, we have with us in our Islamabad studios Senator Anwar Beg, who is also a former member of Standing Committee on Sports, and also we have with us Dr. Nouman Niaz, a well-known cricket expert and also official historian of Pakistan cricket. So many thanks to both of you for joining us in the program. And let me begin with you, Senator Anwar Beg. Are you surprised the way Pakistan capitulated first in the Test series?
You're talking about the Sri Lankan tour?
Yes.
I am not disappointed. I expected this to happen. Because what I see in Pakistan cricket team, that there is absolutely no coordination. There is no control over the players by the captain or the team management. And above all, I think the behavior of Pakistani cricketers has been very, very poor. You've heard the match fixing allegations. I think it's not match fixing, it's man fixing. There are individuals who are involved.
So you are saying that...
I have said this before and I'm saying it right now again. Our boys are involved.
And did you think this is one of the reasons that we lost the series against Sri Lanka?
There is no other reason at all. I mean, they are very good players. They are very talented players. I mean, if you go back to Justice Qayyum's report, which was way back 5, 6 years, 7 years ago, he said in his report, he has blamed Wasim Akram. He has even blamed Inzamam. And then he goes on to say in his report that the cricket board should take a yearly statement from the cricketers of their assets and bank accounts.
And this practice, do you believe, still continues? Let me take a response from Dr. Nouman Niaz. Do you think that this is a fair assessment that because of match fixing, we have lost the series?
Well, because obviously I respect Anwar Sahab like anything, but I personally feel, in my opinion, the quality of your product that was being picked to play for Pakistan, whether it is the best or not, it was horrendously, short of the expected talent you actually want to see when you represent somebody representing the national team. One. Number two, I personally feel there's a lot of fragmentation. As he said, as he suggested, that there's a complete captaincy failure, complete team management failure. As far as match fixing is concerned, it has always been a very tricky subject. We all know that something has been happening, and there were so many superstars like Hansi Cronje.
Even in this recent series, that Pakistan management admitted that there were some bookies who approached Pakistan.
Exactly. So this means that the skeletons are still in the cupboard. So I can't say, because I don't have any evidence that the matches were fixed or not, but the way, if you failed to chase 157, whether it was out of sheer incapacity or it was a deliberately motivated thing, but fact is that in a test match with 2 days to spare, you just can't capitulate chasing a trivial target of 157.
But what about the Pakistan Cricket Board? We tried to contact Chairman Ijaz Butt to have his opinion, and he said that I'm not going to say anything. Go to the team and ask them that why they failed. So this is the attitude of our chairman as well.
You see, when Mr. Ijaz Butt was appointed as the Cricket Board chairman last year, I was still in the Senate, and we had a couple of meetings before I retired in March. And after the first meeting we had with Mr. Ijaz Butt, that was towards the end of last year, we came to a conclusion that it is not Mr. Ijaz Butt's cup of tea. He is, mashallah, 72, he forgets things, and he doesn't have the capacity or the talent or the administrative capacity in him to govern the Pakistan Cricket Board. Pakistan Cricket Board is a multinational company. And let me tell you another thing.
And you believe that he should share the blame the way we have failed?
He is the skipper of the ship. If anything goes wrong, he is to be blamed. And I think he needs to be sacked not tomorrow but today. Another thing I'd like to tell you. On the 2nd of March this year, we had our last standing committee meeting on sports, on cricket. 7-member committee, standing committee of the Senate, we passed a unanimous resolution that day that it is our considered opinion, after having 3 meetings with the PCB, that's the new management, that the affairs of the PCB are in disarray and the current management does not have the capabilities and the vision for any improvement of the game of cricket. We, the subcommittee, recommend to the government that the present management be changed immediately and induct competent people to run the Pakistan Cricket Board. This was a unanimous
but still
decision.
we haven't seen any steps on part of the government.
No.
We will continue our discussion that what should be done to rectify the situation as far as Pakistan cricket is concerned, but it's time for a short break, so stay with us.